Welcome to Crypto Crack, your ultimate portal into the world of cryptocurrency. Here we decode the chaos, break the myths, and empower you with real crypto knowledge. Our first series, Mastering Cryptocurrency, step by step from A to Z, is built for anyone, beginner or expert, who wants to truly understand the blockchain revolution. No fluff, just facts, strategy, and smart insights. Let's crack the code to crypto together. You've heard of PayPal and online banking, but let's talk about cryptocurrency. This isn't just another digital dollar. It's a revolutionary form of money. Imagine a currency that's decentralized and borderless, powered by blockchain technology. Unlike traditional money controlled by banks, cryptocurrency is owned by no one and accessible to everyone. It empowers individuals, allowing for secure transactions without intermediaries. This is the future of finance, where you have full control over your assets and the possibilities are endless.
In 2009, a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto unleashed Bitcoin on the world. Imagine a currency that cuts out banks and governments, relying solely on trust in math and code. This revolutionary idea was born from a desire for financial freedom and transparency. With Bitcoin, transactions are peer-to-peer, secure, and irreversible. It's not just digital money, it's a movement challenging the very foundations of our financial system. By decentralizing power, Bitcoin empowers individuals, allowing us to take control of our own wealth. Who knew that a few lines of code could spark such a global phenomenon? Crypto stands out from conventional money in several fascinating ways. First, it's decentralized, meaning no single entity, like a bank or government, controls it. This gives users more freedom and privacy. Then there's the technology behind it, blockchain. It ensures transparency and security, making fraud much harder. Unlike traditional currencies, crypto is digital only, allowing for instant transactions across the globe, 24/7. Plus, many cryptocurrencies have a capped supply, which can create scarcity and potentially increase value over time. So, whether you're investing or just curious, understanding these differences can really change how you view money. Every crypto transaction is etched into a public ledger known as the blockchain. Once it's recorded, altering it is nearly impossible. Instead of names, we use wallet addresses, creating a system that's private yet fully transparent. This means you can see the flow of funds without knowing who's behind them. The real magic lies in decentralization. No single entity controls it, making it inherently secure. So, is crypto safe? With its robust design, it offers a level of security and transparency that traditional systems struggle to match. People are turning to crypto for a variety of reasons. In countries like Venezuela and Vietnam, it's a lifeline against crippling inflation and oppressive fees. For many, it's about reclaiming financial freedom. No banks, no borders. But it's not just survival, it's innovation and investment. Crypto is reshaping how we think about money, offering independence from traditional systems. This isn't just a trend, it's a global movement where millions are embracing a new way to secure their future. The revolution is here, and it's digital.